What's the meaning of afloat? Afloat. 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 Afloat is an adjective that refers to something or someone that is floating or staying on the surface of a liquid without sinking. It can also be used to describe a person or organization that is financially stable and not in danger of collapsing or going bankrupt. Being afloat means having enough resources or support to continue operating smoothly. In short, to be afloat is to be above water, either literally or figuratively, and not in imminent danger of sinking or failing.